Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to upload photos in iCloud. Let's start. So, few reminders guys before you could, enjoy uploading photos in iCloud. Make sure that your iCloud photos is turned on. So if you go to your settings in your iPhone and then tap on your name and then go to iCloud and then there's photos in there and then it says sync. You just need to make sure that it's turned on. Otherwise, you won't be able to upload photos, okay? And then make sure as well that there's an option also for you to disable you say your album or basically your iCloud photos in general. You would be able to see that all of the like here like the upload icon that's disabled if actually that's if that's disabled, so you need to make sure that it's enabled. Now it's very easy to upload photos guys because I'm gonna be showing you two ways. If you're here on your library, just click on this one. Okay, if you click on that, it would open up your file explorer window and you can just choose whatever photos that you would want to upload. Okay, so say for example from here, if I would want to upload this one, it would be uploaded in your iCloud. So there, and then there's another option wherein you need to download iCloud Photos. So if you're using Windows, you need to download this one. But if you're using Mac, there's already like Photos app that's in there. All you need to do if you're using PC is that if you open your File Explorer window, just need to drag and drop, and then that's it. So that's how easy. So just remind that disregard that one. So yeah, so this one the photo has already been uploaded, it's transferred here. So that's how easy it is to upload photos. Now if you need more guidance, you could always go to iCloud user guide. You can go to support@apple.com, and there are tons of ways here on how you would be able to upload at the same time download your photos using icloud.com. So there, I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.